Welcome to another Portnox Tech Short. In this video, we're going to walk you through the steps you need to set up Intune policies that will configure your client computers for certificate-based 802.1X authentication. Let's get to it. First, we're going to download the root CA certificate from Portnox. From your Portnox dashboard, go to Settings, then Clear Radius Service, Clear Radius Instance. Expand any of the Radius servers listed there. If you have more than one, it doesn't matter which one you choose. You will see a link to download root certificate. Click that. Now we will upload and create a profile for this certificate in Intune. Open the Microsoft Intune portal in your browser, intune.microsoft.com. In the left-hand menu, select Devices. In the left-hand menu of the Devices pane, select Configuration. In the Policies tab, click on Create and select New Policy. In the Platform field, select Windows 10 and later. In the Profile Type field, select Templates. In the search bar, type Trusted, then click on Trusted Certificate, and then click Create. In Basics, type a name for this profile, a description if so desired, and click Next. In Configuration Settings, click on the folder icon to open the downloaded root CA file. Leave the default value of Destination Store and click Next. In Assignments, assign this profile to specific groups or all users and devices, and then click Next. In Applicability Rules, add rules to apply this configuration profile depending on the operating system, version, edition, and then click on Next. Review all the information and click Create. And done! The root CA is now in Intune and will be published to all your devices. Now we're going to create a profile for Windows devices to connect to your Wi-Fi network. In Intune, on the left-hand menu, select Devices. In the left-hand menu of the Devices pane, select Configuration. In the Devices Configuration pane, on the Policies tab, click on Create and select New Policy. In the Create a Profile pane, in the Platform field, select Windows 10 and later. In the Profile Type field, select Templates. In the search bar, type Wi-Fi. In the Template Name field, click on Wi-Fi. Click Create. Type a name for this profile, a description if you would like, and click on Next. In Configuration Settings, in the Wi-Fi Type field, select Enterprise. We're going to fill in these fields. In Wi-Fi Name, SSID, enter the SSID of the Wi-Fi network managed by Portnox Cloud. And in Connection Name, enter a friendly name for this connection, which is what users will see when they browse available networks on their device. In Authentication mode, select User. For EAP type, select EAP TLS. For certificate server names, type clear-rad.portnox.com. In root certificates for server validation, click on Select one or more certificate profiles and select the root CA profile you created earlier. In client authentication, in Authentication method, select SCEP certificate. In the Client Certificate for Client Authentication, Identity Certificate section, click Select a Certificate Profile. If you're using your own certificates, make sure you've already created a profile that includes your certificate. If you're using the Portnox certificate, refer to our other video for step-by-step instructions on creating the appropriate profile. You can find the video link in the description. For other fields, leave the default values and click Next. In Assignments, choose the relevant groups to assign this profile to, and then click Next. In applicability rules, add rules to apply this configuration profile depending on the operating system, version, edition, then click Next. Review the information and then click Create. And done! You've now created a profile for wireless devices to connect to your network using certificate authentication. Enjoy never having to pull out your phone for a text message or authenticator code ever again. And as always, check out our documentation, link below, for more information.